Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel, and welcome to my channel if you are new. My name is Kristen. Welcome. Today I have like a little bonus video for you guys. We're going to do a little Amazon jewelry unboxing. A brand called BFairy reached out to me and sent me some earrings, so let's open them up. Okay, how cute are the boxes that the jewelry comes in? That is so adorable. They're just like little black boxes with black ribbon and a bow with like a little bit of a gold accent. Super cute. Let's open this up. They're very well packaged, lots of foamy. So this is their gold geometric hoop. It retails for $18. I will show you what they look like on in a second. Here is what the geometric hoop looks like on. They're really comfortable. They do have a little weight to them. And this is the second pair that I got, which is their diamond hoop. It also retails for $18. And here is the diamond hoop earring. This one is just your typical post kind of earring, and it would be really pretty for holiday parties. All of these earrings retail from $17 to $18. I think they're really nice quality, so if you guys want to check them out, I will link the two pairs that I mentioned in the video down below, as well as BFairy's store. I also really like these, and I'm typically a silver girl, so if you guys have any tips on how to mix silver and gold together, because I really want to start doing that, please let me know in the comments down below. I really would love your suggestion. If you liked this video, please give it a big thumbs up. Don't forget to hit that red button down below to subscribe to my channel for more videos. Make sure you're following me on all my social media. That's always linked down below in the description box. And that is all I have to say, so I'll see you guys next time. Bye.